I'm Tony Bos, my son Tony T. Bos. We're partners in Bos Dairy, and we're part of the Fair Oak Dairy Adventure Dairy team that we're proud to be part of. We're getting ready for a registered Holstein sale on Friday, and we're just going around getting everything ready to go. We're kind of picking the best of our herd to sell, and we're hoping to have a turnout of 300 to 400 people. We've got a full catalog. We hope the cattle go nationwide and maybe even some worldwide. And we're getting real excited to do this. We've done this 3 times. We've had a Boster sale. This is our 3rd one, and we only pick the best of our herd. And then we've been here
10 years.
About 10 years, and I've been part of the registered business for 40 years. We've had the Boster prefix for 40 years. About 5 years ago, my son kind of took that part of the business over also, and from there, I can let him tell the story from 5 years ago to now, how we got ready for this bunch of cattle being sold.
We have a herdsman that's been with my dad for 23 years, Gary Sturck, and he's been mating our cows with our help and building up our genetics over the last 20 years, and just getting to this point that we're able to make a sale. The Holstein Association, they're having a convention here in Indianapolis this week. So, and it goes from state to state. Every year it's at a different state, so we figured this was a great year to do it with many people down there. We got our 172 or 171 of our registered cows that we'll be selling Friday afternoon. And we have a crew here of probably 12 to 13 people getting all the cows ready, getting them clipped, making them look as good as they can look. And they have done an excellent job. And
we're kind of making them picture perfect. And I think you'll see that in a few minutes. They look great. I do want to say, I think behind us you can see last year we pretty much took all the ribbons and first places at the state show here in Indiana, and we got the grand, and we got breeder, we got the whole deal. So that was one of our big accomplishments while we've been here in Indiana, and we're real proud of that. And that was another reason we're having the sale after having a big publicity deal with winning all those things. It's just making it more that people want to come out and buy our cattle.
34 Tiger, 33, 30, bottom all in, all done, 33, 34, 33, 34. Sold her at 33,000. Days weigh at 33,000.
Right over here.
97, 8, but 98, but 88, but 98, 97, but 88, but 98. 97, 98, all in, all done. 97, 98, but 88, but 98, but 27, 28, but 28, but 28, 27, 28, but 28 and a half.
You're talking hundreds or thousands?
Just hundreds.
Holy smokes. A number 1 cow in this herd of cattle. Cow already at 88 with an excellent memory. Has this 1,300-pound record. Milking 160 pounds a day. You're stealing this cow right here, right now.
28, now 29, 28 now, but now 29, 28 a little bit, 29, but 28 a little bit, but now 29, 28 a little bit, 29, raise the head, now 28 a little bit, 29, but now, but 29, 28 a little bit, now, but 29, 28 a little bit, but now, but 29, 28, 29.
My God, she has good calves, doesn't she? Beautiful individual.
And we'll only be at 28, 29, but 29, but 29, 28 a little bit, 29, but 29 and a half. Sold her at 2,800. Raise weight at 2,800.
She is 1-8.